Strains and sprains are common injuries that affect the soft tissues around a joint. A sprain is when a ligament has twisted or torn, while a strain is when the muscle has been overstretched, and a rupture is when a muscle or a tendon is completely torn. There are three things you should look for: pain and tenderness, difficulty moving, swelling, and bruising. If someone has a sprain or strain, you should remember RICE, which stands for rest, ice, comfortable support, and elevation. If someone has a strain or sprain, help them to sit or lie down and support the limb in a comfortable raised position. To cool the area, apply a cold compress like an ice pack, cold pad, or frozen peas wrapped in a towel. Leave the ice pack or cold pad in place, or wrap a soft layer of padding like cotton wool around the area. The entire support bandage around the area to hold it in place. This needs to go up as far as the next joint on each side. Raise the injured area and support it with something soft like a cushion, or in this case, you can use a sling. If the pain is severe or they can't use their limb, they will need to go to hospital. Otherwise, just tell them to rest it and to seek a healthcare professional if necessary.